We're going to the highest place in Cebu, Osmeña Peak. Most people just see those 1,013 meters and think, cool photo. But this place is the real deal. It's named after the Osmeña family, the political heartbeat of the island. And these jagged peaks have been here way longer than any of us. It's basically the backbone of Cebu. If you're coming from the south, just ride until you hit Dalaguete Junction. You'll see the 7-Eleven and the bake shop right there. And that's your turn. After that, it's just one long steady climb up to Mantalongan. Everyone tells you to go for sunrise, but honestly, riding at lunch is the pro move. The roads are empty, no crawling buses, no trucks, just me and the mountain. And the landscape, you leave the coastal heat behind and honestly, it's like you're riding straight into a giant air-conditioned room. The temperature drop is insane. Alright, finally at the jump off, bike's running hot and I'm still feeling good from the lunch. Let's see if we got a clear view or if the fog's gonna swallow us whole. On this part, I'm just changing my ND filter to the highest filter possible, which is the ND filter 128. So we're currently here at Osmeña Peak and right now it's Monday and it's almost 2 p.m. It's much crowded in the weekend, so we tried to hike this on a Monday. Let's go. So this is the entrance of the peak and as you can see, the place is very well maintained and is very clean. So right now they're doing a supply on water. And this part I was asking them if the fog has lit up or the peak is visible, because the last time we were there the fog was really thick and we can't see anything. So just walking up here to the main entrance hall. So this is the Tourism Information Center. This is where you put your name and then address and then contact numbers so that they have basic information of who goes upstairs. So right now, since it's in the middle of the afternoon, there's not a lot of people. So 2 persons is 300 pesos and it also includes the tour guides. So you cannot choose if you want a tour guide or not. This is mandatory just for safety of the hike. So right now we're slowly hiking up to the peak. As you can see the view, it's really good and the weather's really nice. This hike would be around 25 to 30 minutes. It really depends. So they have like a little store where you can buy refreshments, snacks if you want, and it's really cheap. As you can see, it's a really great view from above. So we just arrived and here's the view. And that's Badjan Island and that little one is Pescador Island. Good thing we're the only ones here. I'll show you a little bit of the montage here with the drone. 3, 2, 1, go.